What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm quickly gonna run some errands and then I can give you guys an update on why I haven't posted anything on the Mazda yet. Some bad news actually, but I've got something to install. I've got a request to do a video on the install for some guys, so this is what I have to install. Greddy dump valve and with the bracket for the Mazda. So as soon as I'm back from doing all my stuff, I'll start doing the install video and then we can take it from there. But I'll update you guys soon on why I haven't posted. Something bad actually. But first we have to get the day started as well, and we're going to start with my monster for the boys. Enjoy guys. For the boys. Okay, here we go. Quick trip. Be back in a second.
It's a game, I'm not gonna play, but maybe you should do whatever you need to erase me. It's all just a game. You think I'm gonna play, but maybe you should do whatever you need to erase me. Baby, 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 you need to erase me. Baby, baby, you should do whatever you need to erase me.
What's up guys, just quickly gonna stop by my shop in Brakpan and also gonna show you guys how my shop looks, and then from there we're going home back to the Mazda. New energy drinks. Okay, so just done the dump valve. So quickly gonna start and see how it sounds now. I mean, it's a Greddy, so it has to sound good. Alright guys, let's see how this Greddy dump valve sounds as soon as my car warms up, and we can see how it sounds. Doesn't sound too bad.
So
So there we go guys, Greddy dump valve installed, and yeah, so the reason why I haven't uploaded anything is because I might have a bent rod in this thing, and we think it might be number 4, but I'm gonna start stripping the engine on the weekend, maybe tomorrow, just depends if my friend can come and help me. But yeah, so I just don't hope it's a bent rod. Hopefully it's something else, and just the rear motor mount that is screwed, although I've got a new one from a friend as well. Thank you, Rashid. But yeah, thanks guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Till next time. Cheers.